Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. So why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button right down there. It's the red button right there. And then go over and click that notification button so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. So today's video is a wig review. So this wig I ordered from Sister Wigs, and it is the Sensational Instant Fashion Wig Contour. This is the Inna Wig. It's called Inna. And then this is in color SOMRB1. I wanted to try that one in color. I absolutely ordered this beauty unit from Sister Wigs, so I absolutely loved it. And I saw this one and I said, let me order that one as well. This is sort of a wave and this one is sort of that curl. And I did want it to try a different color, so we will open it, go through it, and then I will link this beauty I'm wearing below so that way you can see how I pluck, I customize it, set it up just for me. I go over plucking, I go over how I cut the lace and everything. But I kind of wanted to go through, review it, show it out, try it on, maybe style it and everything like that. So let's go through this beauty. So we're gonna open it up and you and me get to see it together. Oh, yes, and look at this. Okay. Let me show you guys. You see that color? Okay, we are ready to see. So I'm just gonna take it out of the plastic and everything. I love that I love that curl already. And this is 100% fiber, so it is a synthetic wig. Pretty much we'll go through a routine of showing you guys how I wash and revamp my wigs. I'll do that for you as well. I just kind of want to review this. And this is also heat safe up to 350 degrees. That way I can curl it if I need to, bump curls if I want to straighten it out or anything like that. And this one is a lace front as well. I was lucky with the part on this one, but it looks like here, yeah, I will have to fix that part. So this is, but I love the, wait, and then it's kind of, oh, it's long too, so look at that color. What? Okay, so I'm going to be trying this out. I said I wanted to do a different color, but I love how it lays because it's like more so black all around, and then the red just comes more at the back or at the. We're going to try her on, and then I will let you know how it fits. Yes, it is. It's not a lace whole front. It's just more so a lace from here to here, which is fine. Won't be able to like side part or anything like that, but it will just be more so in the front. See, like that, because the lace here. This wig does not have, it doesn't have the combs in them. So you can't, it doesn't have combs. So you can create, usually what I'll do is I have bands. I'll go buy, you can buy them from the beauty supply store, but you can create one and sew it on here so that way you'll have the elastic band in the back. And I think I will put one on here just, you know, so that way when I wear it, it can be tight. So here she is. I'm going to actually try her on and show you how it looks. I will put a band on this because I don't like that whole thing here. And then the lace is the front of the lace. So this part here is basically the lace part. It's just actually is here, just like the front part here. And let me see. Yeah, so you can pluck here. I will have to work on that part as well. The square part, that's lace. But that's okay. I can still work with it. Most of my wigs, I love wearing middle part. Anyway, so yeah. So let's go try this baby on. We can go over it and I'll let you know what my thoughts are. Comes out, it is a little shedding, but most of them wigs you get, if it's synthetic, you'll get that, but that's okay. As long as it's not a whole bunch hair that's shedding. Okay, so I'm loving it so far, and that color is like so fire, right? I love this. This is fire. I'm loving this. I love how the black is at the top and how the color comes in at the bottom. You see that? Oh, this one is what? It's giving me all that. Looking at this wig as you looking and I'm looking, I will need to pluck this part and create this part. This is, like I said, the small part here of the lace. So I will need to cut the lace, pluck it a little. I don't know if I'm gonna cut. I probably will. It's not bad as far as the curl and the length of it. I love the length of this. I like the hair itself. Sitting here, running my fingers through it, some shedding, but not a lot. And you expect that. So I'm gonna go and work on this. Okay, so what I want to do is create a more natural part. As you can see, I started, but I wanted to show you where I go in, and just make sure you go in, and then just, you know, pluck in. I will actually go on both, pluck from this side and that side. I'm going to continue to pluck until I get it to where I want, and I want it a little more natural looking. You see the part now? I worked on it. Yes, so I'm pretty okay with it. I'll see how it looks once I put it on my head. I may, you know, make it look a little more natural, but for this purposes, I want to go ahead and finish up so you guys can see the finished product. So I'll go ahead and I pulled the hair back. I just put in a braid, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that lace so that way you can see how I cut it. And then I just take it from here, right close. You don't want to you go straight as close to the hair as possible, like this. And just go ahead, hold on, and just cut it, because it's just really short. And then you always can go back and trim it up, but I'll cut it like that. When you see it, yes, cut. And then, voila. There it is. I will cut a little more right here. Okay. And then here, go in a little lower. And right here. Yeah. Just here. All right. So that's it. And you see, yep, so the lace is cut. Trim here, I'll trim a little. Yeah, so there we go. And then you see that? Yes, so that's how it is. Trim that lace. I'm okay with it. I want to go ahead and try it back on. Okay, so I actually finished the part. As you can see, it's pretty much okay now. I love how it turned out, as I showed you in the last clip of how I cut the lace. The only thing with this is because it doesn't have combs or a band on it, and I'm actually going to put one on it. It will intend to rise up a little here. You guys probably can't see it, but somebody that, you know, particular about their hair, they'll see that. And you just want to make sure you have that band. So you could use a band, or you could use a clip, or however you want, and just sew it in the back and have it pinned down, because that will make you feel comfortable. You don't want to walk around and your wig fall off, girl. We don't want that. So secure it down. Look at me in my color, like with the burgundy lipstick. This burgundy really, and I would have never thought to get this. I said, let me just try it. I absolutely love it. So I'm just putting a little bit of my foundation, my Hello Flawless foundation in Nutmeg. Use a little bit of that in the part. So yes, let me go ahead and put that. Oh, here we go. Just put it on the part, and if it doesn't, you can always just take a wet rag and wipe it, clear it off the hair. But I want to go ahead and do that. There we go. And a little bit more while we're here on camera. Yeah, so that it looks much better. So then this is more my color. Okay, see? And then I'll just take a paper towel that I had and just go ahead and top that. Yeah, that's better. I will be wearing it I'll insert pictures. That way you can kind of see what it looks like in pictures.
I so love you with me.
Say yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Yes, the hair is flowy. Love it. You could curl it, so that's a plus. It turned out pretty good. I had to pluck it, but that's okay. I absolutely love how it turned out. Let's see. It doesn't, it tangles a little, but it doesn't tangle much. Yeah, so you can, you could just, I haven't, yeah, it doesn't tangle much, but it's flowing right through. And it shed a little bit, but not now. This hair is a go. This is an Inna Wig, and I absolutely love the turnout. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.